Welcome back. Today we're looking at a classic rivalry, but with a twist. I wanted to see what happens when the farm meets the pool hall. This is Farmer Al Falfa versus Peter Rabbit in a green felt grudge match. This project is part of my larger series where I'm bringing vintage characters back to life, a world where these classic icons get a fresh, slightly more competitive edge. Now, you might know these characters from the archives, but I've reimagined them here through original laser art. Look at the detail on Peter. He's not just a rabbit, he's a shark. I imagined him being incredibly intelligent and playful with that cue stick. The challenge here was capturing the movement. Since Peter is a bit shorter than the table, I like to think he's literally hopping to get that perfect angle for the corner pocket. Meanwhile, the farmer is just trying to keep his cool. I hope you enjoyed this remastered look at the Grudge match. If you like seeing these classic characters in new scenarios, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments, who do you think actually won this game? Thanks for watching.